Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best treadmills of 2025. Whether you're looking to stay fit at home or just want a reliable treadmill for daily workouts, I've got you covered. We'll go through each treadmill, check out their features, and weigh the pros and cons to help you decide which one fits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ANCHEER Foldable Treadmill with Sit-Up Bench 2025 Upgrade. 3.5 HP motor, capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, foldable design with a sit-up bench included, smart LCD display that tracks body fat and heart rate, multifunction exercise equipment. This treadmill is perfect for those who want a versatile home gym. The 3.5 HP motor ensures smooth performance even for heavy users, and the sit-up bench is a great bonus for core workouts. The LCD display provides real-time fitness data, which makes tracking your progress simple. Pros: high weight capacity, multifunctional design, smart display for monitoring fitness. Cons: slightly bulky when unfolded, premium price compared to basic treadmills. Great choice if you want more than just a treadmill. Perfect for a small home gym setup. Number 2. Foldable treadmill with 7% incline, 2.5 HP portable under-desk walking pad. 2.5 HP motor with 0.6 to 7.5 mph speed range, 7% incline, handle, remote, and app control, 265 pounds maximum weight capacity, ideal for home or office use. If you're looking for something compact for walking while working, this treadmill's excellent. It fits easily under desks and comes with app control to adjust speed and incline. A little less powerful than full-size treadmills, but perfect for light jogging and walking. Pros: compact and portable, app and remote control, affordable price. Cons: lower speed for serious runners, limited weight capacity, ideal for office use or light home workouts, especially if space is limited. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness One-Click Fold 20-inch Smart Treadmill. Fully assembled out of the box. 20-inch belt, auto incline feature. Works with SunnyFit app for tracking workouts. This treadmill stands out for its convenience, no assembly needed. The auto incline feature is great for simulating real running conditions, and the SunnyFit app helps track progress and set goals. Pros: easy setup, smart app integration, auto incline feature. Cons: smaller running surface, not suitable for very tall users. Perfect for anyone who wants a smart treadmill without the hassle of assembly. Number 4. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill 2.25 HP Superfit. 2.25 HP motor, 2-in-1 design, under-desk walking or regular jogging, LED display, remote control, and app support. A versatile treadmill for both walking and light running. It's easy to fold and store, and the app allows you to monitor your workouts. Performance is smooth, but it's better suited for casual users. Pros: space-saving design, app and remote control, affordable price. Cons: lower horsepower for intense workouts, slightly narrow running surface. Great for beginners or those with limited space, offering flexibility between walking and jogging. Number 5. THERUN Incline Treadmill for running and walking. 3.5 HP motor with 0 to 15% auto incline. Supports up to 300 pounds. Wide running belt, app and heart rate tracking. This is one of the most robust treadmills on the list. It's perfect for serious runners who want incline training at home. The wide belt makes it comfortable for longer runs, and app integration helps track your fitness efficiently. Pros: high performance motor, wide belt for comfortable running, advanced incline and tracking features. Cons: larger footprint, slightly more expensive, best choice for those who want a full-featured treadmill for serious workouts at home. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to say how much I appreciate everyone who watches, comments, and supports the channel. Your engagement genuinely helps this community grow, and it motivates me to keep bringing you the best product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides.